Increasingly, vaporizer companies are under pressure to increase production while navigating changing consumer preferences. Lowering expenses while scaling output is nearly impossible without increasing labor costs and decreasing quality. Mark1 from Xylem Technologies is a new, automated vaporizer manufacturing system that fills and assembles cartridges with a press of a button. This automated system feeds cartridges, fills cartridges, and caps cartridges under a precision, temperature-controlled environment. Fully filled and assembled vaporizers are made by one person. This automated assembly line is comprised of automatic cartridge loaders, ceramic pneumatic pumps, and an inline force-adjustable capping unit. The automatic sorters remove the need for trays by loading, sorting, and inspecting cartridges prior to filling. Next, temperature-controlled ceramic pneumatic pumps ensure consistent and accurate filling with any type of extract, no matter the viscosity. The Mark1's pneumatic-assisted pumps allow for dispensing at lower temperatures to prevent terpene decomposition. Finally, automated inline capping immediately seals the cartridge, ensuring strong vacuum lock with every filled cartridge, leading to less leaks and higher fill line appearance. The Mark1 can be configured to any type of vaporizers, from press-in, screw-in, and all-in-ones, while being compatible with all types of extracts, including sensitive live resin and raw rosin mixtures. To learn more about how Mark1 can help you simplify and scale up your vaporizer manufacturing, contact Xylem at sales@xylemtech.com.